chemical importers, you, I'm sure, have plenty of requests coming in from customers for samples, for requests for quotes, um, material safety data sheets, things like that, and then you need to go out to your suppliers or potential suppliers and get pricing information. So this VSCO system, designed specifically for chemical importers, is going to be able to assist you in doing that. Let's take a look at how people are doing that now. From the sales and purchasing menu, we have what we call pre-order processing, which refers to any communication that's taking place prior to actual transaction. So we'll start on the inquiry side. We've got this concept of inquiry, which is fairly flexible, but most people will use it to keep track of sample requests, requests for quotes, um, questionnaires, quoting, prototyping, things like that. So let's assume it's a sample request. We can write notes about whether it was a conversation or if it's an email. We can copy and paste the email right in there. The person internally who is handling the request, and then you can reassign it to someone else within the organization. The associated customer, we'll pick this customer, Three Brothers here. The products that they're inquiring about, any additional documents or information that they're sending along with you, you can upload that and associate it with the inquiry. And then I'll say done. Now, that information is going to be stored in there, and there's several ways in which I can access it. From my home page, I can say my active inquiries or my active tasks that I need to be following up on. If I want to see that, I can click on that. It'll load, okay, these are the things that are assigned to me, 2 sample requests and prototyping, the date that they're due, the status of them. I can drill down into them to get additional information, things like that. Also, from within the product itself, if I wanted to say, let's go into the sorbic acid. In the inquiries tab here is going to show me a list of all outstanding inquiries that we have associated with this particular product, who the associated customer is, and who's supposed to be following up on it. And the next step is what we refer to as offers. And offers are going to be requests for quotes that you're getting from suppliers. So this is my list of open offers from various suppliers for this product. So in this case, I have 60 cents FOB, 63 cents CIF, 58 cents CIF. The associated vendor, if there's a customer associated with this request, we have that as well. And then I can actually drill down into any of these to get additional details. This is going to show me who internally is handling the buying, the selling, the date that this particular quote is going to expire, if it's associated with a customer, who the customer is, the product, terms. In this case, we had 2 different terms associated with this offer. One was CIF and one was FOB. And then we have a tool that we call a price estimator tool, which allows us to compare various offers. So in this case, we said we had 2 different offers here, a CIF offer and an FOB. And then behind the scenes here is there's some calculations going on for each of these charges, like insurance. It might be a percentage of the total cost. We're adding that in. Port charges, duty, broker fees, freight. So what we're coming up with are total cost for each offer, our total cost per unit for each offer. We can add a markup of some kind, and then it's helping us calculate a target price for this product as well. So that's the offer screen, and the offers work very similar to the inquiries in that you can access them from the product page itself, but you can also access them from within the vendor screens. If I go into vendors, let me pick that Cal China, for example, and this will show me a listing of all outstanding offers we have from Cal China, the product, and the price, and if there's a quantity associated with that, that will be there as well. And then the one final piece that ties these things all together is our quotes that are going out to customers, which you can generate quotes from the offers, and we'll just load a quote document here. This one, for example, generate this quote document, which you can then send out to the customer, and if they approve it, obviously you turn it into a sales order. So that's the concept. That's how we're tying all three of these things together, and they're all accessible. Probably the most common way to do it is from within the product screen. If I want to look at the sorbic acid, for example, I can drill down in here and see what outstanding inquiries or tasks do I have associated with this product, and who's supposed to be following up on them, the offers or quotes we're receiving in from suppliers, and the associated terms, and then outstanding quotes that we have associated with customers and the price and so on.